The roads are a bad place to be on. A lot of slickness, especially on the exit ramps. People are finally starting to slow down, and traveling is going to be very treacherous, especially along the ridge cut and the higher elevations for the next few hours. And that'll continue throughout much of the day tomorrow. But while traveling is treacherous, here at the Sunset Cafe, people are having fun with an old-fashioned snowball fight. And I think I'm going to lose this one because it's 3-on-1, but everybody is having a good time. A good old-fashioned March snowstorm here in the Tennessee Valley. Really, it doesn't get much better than this, does it?